Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I get a lot of questions on Instagram about how I take my photos, the lighting, the editing, all that stuff, and I'm going to talk to you guys about that today. So without drawing this intro out, I'm going to get started with the basics, what I use to take my pictures, the lighting, how I take them, everything. I'll show you guys some screen recordings from my iPhone as to how I edit them, and let's get started. So everybody knows the key to a good picture is the lighting. Now in a lot of my Instagram pictures I use natural light, like this one here, and then on other Instagram photos I'll use artificial lighting, which is usually just a ring light or lighting in my house. My favorite to use is natural light though, because I feel as though it makes you look the best. It looks most natural. So light from the sun is usually what's best. And if I can, from time to time, I'll do a couple cool things with the sun, with the lighting. I don't recommend standing in direct sunlight because that will kill your eyes, and also the quality of the photo might not be as good as if you were near a window and not directly in the sunlight. Some of my pictures I do take in direct sunlight, like this one here, but it's very rare just because the quality usually isn't where I want it. But if you want to do a picture like that, just make sure the exposure is right on your camera, and I'll show you guys how to do that. Now with artificial lighting, like I'm using now, I'm using a ring light, and I also have umbrella lights here, but I never do the whole setup for just an Instagram picture, so I'll just use a ring light. Ring lights, I'm not really specific with what I use, so just a regular ring light off Amazon will. So now I will show you guys how I take my Instagram pictures, and I'll do like a little screen recording so you guys can kind of see what I'm doing on my phone as well. And to take my pictures, mostly every single picture on my Instagram is taken on an iPhone X. That's it. So right now, as I said, I'm sitting in artificial lighting, so I have a ring light in front of me and two umbrella lights on the side, and I'm not too worried about the background being lit up. I do want my face to have some contour, some light to it. So pretty much what I do is I play with the exposure. Usually the best place to put it is right on your face like I have it now, and then you can just adjust it as you'd like, and you can take your picture. First, I'm going to open up the photo in Facetune, of course. Just going to edit where I have any blemishes. And for that, I like to use the patch tool, so it looks a little bit more natural than just smoothing it over. So next, I will take the smooth tool and just go over where my skin looks a little textured. And now this is the fun part for me. I have like a butt chin, and it's just not my jam, so I'll take a little bit of a lighter shade and just fill in that shadow. Voila. And then to get rid of my dark circles, again, take a light shade and just go over like that. And then we can smooth it out. And that's what we've done so far. And then I also like to go in the detail and highlight the light in my eyes, and sometimes the ring around my eyes. And of course the lashes, always detail the lashes. And if you want to make your highlight more pop-in, you can also go in and detail the highlight. And I always smooth out my lipstick, because liquid lipstick just makes your lips the Sahara Desert. And overline my lips, and I overline my lips, so I'll just blur that out. And if I want to give my hair some more volume, I will take the refine tool and just pull that out a little bit. Trying not to distort the background. And there is the before and after. Amazing, folks. Now just save it, and then I'll open up Instagram. Oh, that's cute. And I will take the picture just like that, how I like it. And then I'll go to the edit, and I'll usually adjust the brightness and I'll put it down just a little bit, and that will add more contrast to the photo. Don't ask why I don't use contrast things. I don't know. And then I'll go to sharpen, and this is where we get the quality. This. And we'll just move that up, and boom, boom. Instagram lets you like hold down the picture so you can see before and after, and I kind of just keep moving it until it looks and then I'll go to the shadow tool and move that down. Maybe some saturation, give me a tan. And that's really how I edit my photos. Let me just add a little caption. New YouTube. Oh, Mew. I don't know if you guys ever catch that, but I always like have some type of misspelling in my caption, so. Oh, and there we go again. YouTube video coming soon. Smiley face, winky face. Oh, 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 oh. Ta-da! And that's really all I do. There's nothing special, no Adobe Photoshop, none of that. Just some simple Facetune on an iPhone. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did enjoy it, please give it a thumbs up, and if you like me, please subscribe. It would mean the world to me. And if you guys like this lighting, or if you dig the lighting, let me know, because I feel like the reason I was stagnant for a while with my videos is just because I couldn't figure out the lighting, and I feel like it wasn't good, so I didn't want to give you guys poor quality videos. So I think this is better. New camera, new lighting. Doesn't get much better. So comment down below what you guys want to see from me. I want to film more videos. I'm on like this kick right now, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!